by a satellite or teleguided by the operator. The assets can be used separately or as a swarm to engage side targets or high priority targets. The assets you can see is 22E right now. The Reiki UAV SKAT can be used as a transmitter station or as an observation control over the battlefield. Now let's have a look at some specifications of the loitering munitions. The first goes the Reiki UAV SKAT 350M, then goes combat experience and factory tests show that 2E is efficient against various armed and soft-skinned targets, both moving and static, due to the range of warheads. Either way is still guests. The warheads are also represented at the neighboring pavilion that we have within the joint Russian exhibition. The footage shows that